Okay, so I'm putting together a quick video to show you how to hook up the Target drive-through system, audio mainly, not the blower, but we're going to go over the substation, master control, and the PoE power switch. 120 volts, power over Ethernet, and we'll run the audio. It will be pre-programmed at job sites. So let's do that. Alright, first off, PoE needs 120 volt power supply hookup, which we just hooked up right here. This power cord, and that will allow you to get the lights on in the front. You'll see it's operating. Then you will need 3 RJ45s, I guess actually 2. This one's hooked into the internet, but the system should not be hooked into the internet. So you use 2 RJ45 cables. One is going to go to the master, and one's going to run out to the substation. We're going to open this and show you where it hooks up. On the job site, you can terminate right in the top of the box to bring the blower control and the audio right there. So here you have the master. You need to take this panel off the back. Simply take one of the cords, plug it right in here, LAN PoE. Push this up. If you wish to wall mount it, just take this off. This bracket can mount to the wall. When it's blinking orange, that means it's powering up. Once it's on, the screen will turn on. You see you have address book, and it's pre-programmed with 2 drive-through lanes. Lane 1 and lane 2. These lanes will be pre-programmed on the stations. So if you go over here, you'll find that's a lane 2, substation 2. So on the substation, you can see this plate has to come off in order to connect the PoE switch. In the field, you can connect through the top of the box, but since this is not an installed unit, I'm going to take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and then we can see the inside. So when you open this, you'll find the box is sealed with a door seal. On the back of the plate, here's where the access to the LAN cable goes in. So you simply take it here, connect it, close that, and then here's where the blower wires connect. Just 4 wires. But here we can test, you can see the blinking light, that's the system starting up. And once it goes blue, it's ready to be used. That's when it's loaded, the program is loaded. So So here you have a master. Check the master, hit this button. This one's already loaded, blue light. You can see the lights flickering here on the PoE master power. And then this will keep flashing orange until it turns blue. When it's blue, you know it's ready to be tested. So here we are with everything hooked up. Blue light means it's ready to go. Screen is on. Power is on. This is substation 2. Address book. Drive-through lane 2. Call. Hello, can I help you? Can I help you? You see the talk is on. Orange button. Now when you call in to the central, you get two options. Use this or this button. See how it's ringing at the central. Drive through lane 2. Or if you use this button, drive through lane 2. Hello. Hello, can I help you? And it's that simple.